You are watching Brainworkshop, learning and fun.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Kitty and welcome to our exciting tutorial on numbers from 1 to 10. Today we will not only learn how to write these numbers but also how to spell and count them. Kids, are you ready with me? Let's dive into it. We will start with the number 1. Let's learn how to write it. Kids, writing 1 is super easy. Firstly, from the top of the middle line, draw a slant line in up. Then draw a vertical line from top to bottom. Is it easy, kids?
Yes, Miss Kitty.
Good going, kids. Now, let's spell the number 1. O N E 1. Super effort, kids. Now, it's time to count the number. 1 airplane. Good going, kids. Kids, will you learn the next number with me?
Yes, Miss Kitty.
Okay, let's do the next number. Our next number is 2. Let's learn how to write the number 2. Start at the top, draw a curved line going down, then draw a straight line at the bottom. That's it. You have got the number 2. Now, let's spell and read the number 2. T W O 2. Fantastic job, kids. Now, time to practice the number 2. Repeat after me, kids. 1
1,
2
2,
2 cars. Remarkable effort, kids. Kids, now let's move on the next number. Our next number is the number 3. Let's learn how to write the number 3. Start at the top, draw a curved line going down to the left, then loop it around to the right and connect it at the bottom. Fantastic, kids! You have successfully written the number 3. Okay, it's time to spell the number 3. T H R E E 3. Fantastic job, kids. Now let's practice counting with number 3. Repeat after me, kids. 1
1,
2
2,
3.
3,
3 stars. Well done, kids. Do you know, kids, 3 comes after 2 in the counting sequence. Kids, how many stars do you see?
3,
Well done, kids. Now time to move on the next number. Our next number is the number 4. Let's learn how to write the number 4. Kids, the number 4 is quite remarkable and we are going to learn how to write it. Start at the top, draw a down. Then make another straight line going across and connect it. Fantastic, kids! Now you are expert of writing the number 4. Okay, it's time to spell and read the number 4. F O U R 4. Fantastic effort, kids! Now let's practice counting with the number 4. Repeat after me, kids. 1
1,
2
2,
3
3,
4
4,
4 Helicopter. Well done, kids. Let's move on the next number. The next number is the number 5. Let's learn how to write the number 5. From the top, draw a straight line going down to the middle. Then from the middle, draw a curved line along the bottom and up. And from the top, draw a line across. Amazing! You are expert in writing the number 5. Now, let's spell and read the number 5. F I V E 5. Amazing effort, kids! It's time to practice counting with the number 5. Repeat after me, kids. 1
1,
2
2,
3
3,
4
4,
5
5,
5 dogs. You did it again, kids. Let's move on the next number. Our next number is the number 6. Let's learn how to write the number 6. Start at the top, draw a curved line going down to the bottom. Then from the bottom, draw a curved line around up and close to the middle. Amazing! Kids, now you are a writing expert. Good going, kids! Let's learn how to spell and read the number 6. S I X 6. Great effort, kids! Now it's time to practice and count the number 6. Repeat after me, kids. 1
1,
2
2,
3
3,
4
4,
5
5,
6
6,
6 French fries. Super effort, kids! Kids, are you ready to learn the next number with me?
Yes, Miss Kitty.
Okay, let's learn the next number. Our next number is the number 7. Let's learn how to write the number 7. Starting at the top, draw a line across, then draw a slant line from top to bottom. Is it simple, kids?
Yes, Miss Kitty.
Good job, kids! Now let's spell the number 7. S E V E N 7. Excellent job, kids. Now it's time to count the numbers. Repeat after me, kids. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
7.
7. Santa. Fantastic, kids. Okay, it's time to do the next number. Our next number is the number 8. Let's learn how to write the number 8. Start at the top, make a little curve down, then bring it back around. Then start from where you ended the first curve, then make another curve in an opposite direction. Congratulations, kids! You have successfully written the number 8. Okay, it's time to spell and read the number 8. E I G H T 8. Amazing effort, kids! Now let's practice counting with the number 8. Repeat after me, kids. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
8. Rocket. Well done, kids. Kids, how many rockets do you see?
8.
Fabulous, kids. Kids, now time to do the next number. Our next number is the number 9. Let's learn how to write the number 9. Starting at the top, draw a curved line down, around to the middle, then back to the top, draw a straight line down to the bottom. Amazing, kids! You are now writing expert. Let's learn how to spell and read the number 9. N I N E 9. Great work, kids! Now let's practice counting with the number 9. Repeat after me, kids. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9.
9.
9 buses. Great work, kids. Kids, how many buses do you see?
9.
Good job, kids. Now, let's move on the next number. Our next number is the number 10. Let's learn how to write the number 10. Kids, to write the number 10, we will have to write 1 and 0. To write the number 1, we have to start drawing a slant line from the middle to the top. Then from the top, draw a vertical line from top to bottom. To draw a 0, we have to draw a circle the way around. Kids, job! Now you are a writing expert. Let's learn how to spell and read the number 10. T E N 10. Fantastic effort, kids! Now let's practice counting with the number 10. Repeat after me, kids. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
10 cats. Kids, how many cats do you see?
10.
Great work, kids! Wow, we did it! Kids, now you are a writing expert! Kids, you're all number champions now. Keep practicing, keep exploring and never stop learning. I can't wait to see where your number skills take you. Thanks for joining with me today. Keep counting, keep writing and keep being amazing. Bye-bye.
Hi kids, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification for more learning and fun.